right, I'm going to show you how you can change out the fitting if your hose gets busted on the end. Super fast and easy. You want to head over to the store and you're going to be buying these hose couplers, and they have male and female. Make sure you get the right one. The male obviously goes, they're just reversed, right? Depending on what side of the hose it is. All you need is a screwdriver and a knife or scissors or something. So the side where the piece breaks or there was a leak, we want to clean that off so that we have, it's not like kind of beveled or swollen out. This is going to help make sure that the barbs on the new fitting can attach nicely. Try to get it straight as possible. Stick your little ratchet clamp on the outside, and then we're going to insert the barbed fitting. It should go on snug. A little bit of resistance, but it should slide on nice. Maybe a little bit harder depending on what material your hose is made out of. And then if you cut the hose nice and straight, it should fit flush on the bottom. So you want it to be snug on the bottom of your new fitting. It's pretty straightforward. Then you're going to take your screwdriver and crank it down. You can like really over tighten these things. It's not like some plumbing where you have to be like cautious. Crank it down as tight as you can. Make sure it's on tight because water pressure will blow it off if it's not on nice. Very simple. The fittings themselves are like under 10 bucks usually. So you save yourself, $100 hose or whatever you've got by just swapping one of these out. There you go.